How you doing, guys? Welcome back. Have a real quick look at Badger, and I think it's been a couple of days since I've looked at it, and I put a prediction out there that we'd make a move up and above the cloud and bounce off from it, or consolidate down and make a move from there. Neither of which played out. We did kind of follow the amber route, coming lower and then having a slight bounce, but we pretty much followed suit with Yishimoku and made it above the cloud, and then we took a bounce, came back to the cloud for a retest and followed suit, and then we've moved up, which is great. So what to look for now is we have just broken above, back tested and held fib support at 1595, and it looks like we're going to go higher. So next stop could be within the next 10 or 12 hours, 1755. I think at that point what we need to be looking for would be some staircasing to get to that zone, and then we may have some sideways action and then pull back with the sell-off to meet the cloud, which realistically will be moving in the same manner that the price action is here. So we hopefully will come back to meet the cloud and then take a bounce, or we'll dip below and continue this level of pattern. Just get out of the way. Yeah, just continue this level of pattern, moving sideways under the cloud. So yeah, really great to see with Badger. It's gone off on a run. Always nice to see that. If we have maxed out, what to look for next will be a bounce back to 1592. Not holding support, back testing and losing, and then at that point we would come back to our next resistance zone, which is about 1480, and then hopefully we'd meet the cloud and move higher, or at that point we'd move sideways through it, lose support and begin to tail off until the next time. So I'm going to leave that red because I don't think that plays out. I will mark this one green because I do think we're going to continue our bullish run. I don't think that we're going to spike, so I'm going to leave that red as well, and I'll mark this amber. So I hope that the predictions make sense, that I do expect this run to continue for a period of sell-off where we're either then going to spike, which is unlikely considering what we've seen with Badger for the last few days, and then at that point we'll probably tail off back through the cloud, or we'll see that happening sooner, but I don't expect that to happen straight away. So it'll be this sort of move coming back to the cloud, but hopefully we'll be able to have a further run up, take some more profits, circa the 1765 range. I could be completely wrong, and this could be getting ready to really blow, and I'm just going to pull out to the daily to see where we've been historically. So if this thing was going to complete a W move, we could, wow, that could be no. So yeah, sorry, I'm just sort of debating in my own brain here. So before we really fell off the table, we were sitting at 2690, that sort of range, and then we've had some big wicks down and some sideways action. Now it looks like we're trying to break higher. We've got a really big resistance ahead of us at 1821. So if we were to move now, I think 1821 to 1850 would be the max. I think that would be our point where we'd start tailing off, and then we'd follow suit. But if we did manage to make it through the cloud, or even into it sideways and through, I'll have to update you from tomorrow. So for now, a nice safe zone to grab some profits at is 1750 if we're going to continue higher, and from there we'll have to review more in the next video. Alright, please like and subscribe. See you all soon.